Hey, what's up, Leah? Thanks for helping me out and taking this to the correct person. Anyway, I'm just going to shoot over three free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition, really driving more quality traffic to your site as well. So I got your site pulled up here. A few things I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I love your little call out right there. That's great. So just kind of going over the first thing, content here. I would bring this up to about 15 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer those keywords on those words you're actually trying to be found for. Even these images, what they're saved as, it all matters. And so you got Dink and Fit system rebate. And I'd go behind all these images and change out those what they're saved as and put keywords in there. That'll make a huge difference in your ranking. Now, if I just go inside of Google here and type in AC Repair Orlando FL, this is what you're going to see. You got this oh, hang on. You got these Google guarantees. These are actually brand new to Google. They came up with these to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls coming from the those old school traditional ads. So these Google guarantees, they're just another form of advertisement, paid advertisement, and it's just to help block out those spam calls that comes from those ads. Anyway, so we got this little map section right underneath that. Really, to get the rankings in this area is going to deal with a lot of citations. What a citation is, just an online business directory. You got the BBB, Yelp, CityStar, Facebook, LinkedIn. There's thousands of them out there. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that our competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking our competition. Underneath this map section is going to be dealing with all the organic traffic. That's going to be, how authoric are you with your content being found for those keywords, and also what comes down to a backlink. What a backlink is a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Now, if I just go to your site here and take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool that just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. So right now you got 20 referring domains, which is pushing back 85 backlinks, and you're getting found for 452 words, and in return you're getting about 51 clicks on average to your website every month. Now these 51 clicks, we can actually see where these clicks are coming from. So you got English, you got your name at the top there, AirServe Orlando, HVAC Orlando FL. There's a very buyer's intent keyword there. Your 12th position, so you're missing all the traffic. There's about 100 clicks every month just coming from that one keyword. HVAC Contractor Orlando FL, there's another 50 clicks, missing all the traffic once again. Orlando FL HVAC, another 70 clicks. Orlando FL Air Conditioning, 100 clicks, missing all the traffic. HVAC Contractors Orlando FL, another 40 clicks. Mold Remediation, 150 clicks, you're missing the traffic again. HVAC in Orlando FL, there's another 10 clicks, missing all the traffic. Let me show you one of your competitors here, what they're doing. This is Dell Air. Okay, if we stick them inside of Ahrefs, this is what they're ranking for. They got, their first, you can see their position that they're ranking for. Their third position, oh, that's their name. We don't need that one. AC Repair Orlando FL. There's 200 clicks every single month just for that one keyword. Their first position, so they're getting outrageous clicks and traffic to their website because they are that first position there. This next keyword, AC Repair Orlando, another 600 clicks. So just out of these two keywords alone, there's 800 clicks coming from those two keywords. If you had more volume for a little bit more specific keywords like this, I don't know if you could use some more quality business, but anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I would love a free custom game plan to help you get there, or just want to tell me how I did on the video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much.